Good afternoon, engineers. It's Mrs. Vandermissen. Guess what? It's B block and you've made it to the end of the day. Congratulations. But you still have a lot to do today in class, so hang in there. Just one more class. All right, today is day 6. Take a look at our calendar here. We have a notebook check turn-in due today for the CAD payload, implement, and test plan. I'm going to walk you through a couple of things for that. One thing I wanted to say is I went in to grade the videos and the Defend the Design presentations today, and I noticed that 2 of the teams had successfully gotten the videos uploaded, and then 2 of the teams I have slides only. Okay, that's a good start, but I won't go ahead and grade those 2 presentations until I get word from you on how you're going to communicate the video presentation of it. So go ahead and submit a document to that same turn-in from yesterday and let me know where the video is or how you're going to get it to me. And I won't post the grades for those couple of teams' presentations till I hear where the video is coming from. And thanks to the 2 teams that did get that figured out. Keep working with the technology. I know you can do it. All right, so let's look at Schoology for today. So our Tuesday turn-in is going to be the notebook check for that payload, implement, and test plan. So you're going to notice that there are project box with your 3D printed pieces for you over in the project bin cubbies. Find the one with your name on it and your 3D printed part is going to be there. I know that most of you have some work to do to get that assembled and ready to go on the zip line next week. So do whatever it is that you need from the tool walls. Remember, if you're doing any cutting, filing, or sanding, you need to go ahead and wear glove protection and safety glasses. Other than that, if you're just doing simple assembly, you should be good to go. There won't be any box cutters out today since I'm not there. Okay, the other thing that I want you to do is take a photo of your final 3D printed part, email it to yourself on one of the desktops, print it out, and get those attached in your design notebook because that's a part of your implementation is getting the part 3D printed. They look terrific. Make sure that that's attached. And then you want to go ahead and also take a photo of the final implementation when you get all the parts and pieces assembled together and ready to go. Now, the next thing I want you to do is after you document everything that you did to make your final assembly and implementation, did you change anything from your detailed design that we originally looked at? Once your implementation is completely documented in your design notebook, I want you to move on to make a detailed test plan. We talked a bunch about test planning in the first term of pre-engineering, but I'm going to bring those slides back up so we can look at them together just for a minute as a reintroduction. Okay, so I will go ahead and play these in slideshow mode. Okay, some important things to document. You want to state what it is you are testing. Remember, your objective versus what your problem statement said. What in that problem statement was measurable? Is it the speed, the weight, the force, or in this case, is it the survival of the precious cargo? What will you test? State your required resources. Exactly what are you going to use to measure that test? Are you going to need anything to take pictures? Are you going to need anything to time it? It's up to you, but list all your supplies. State your testing strategy or method. How many times will you measure? Exactly how many people will be involved in testing? How will they be involved? Any special instructions? Where your testers will be located? Who will run the measurement device? Who will handle the prototype to be tested? And then again, photos or videos that you will want to record, and then who will do that. You need to be really specific so that we can run this test smoothly next week. State the criteria for determining pass or fail of your test. In what way do your results have to match your problem statement to consider the test passed? What happens if your initial round of testing does not pass? Are there any results that cause an immediate failure? For instance, it can't be attached to the line, or the special cargo breaks before we even get it on the line. And then state which results will be documented and how they'll be documented. For example, all measured data will be collected on a LabQuest device. Nope, that won't be us this time. Or 10 passing results will be recorded in the design notebook, or a photograph of the final impact will be taken and attached to the design notebook. That's a good example. Okay, that is everything that you'll need to document in your design notebook for your test plan. And then once you've got the implement part and the test part documented, go ahead and do that design notebook turn in today. That one will be due by midnight, and I'll be grading those before next time I talk with you. Have a great day, and I will check in with you next time.